Check the students. In today's topic, I will teach you another grammatical one point is here. That is even plus adjective. As I said earlier in presentation, that adjective, which degree you will use after even? Comparative degree. Adjective has how many degrees? 3 degrees. Positive, comparative, and superlative. So comparative degree you can use after even. Even is an adverb of degree, which is used, I'm sorry, is I have forgotten here, which is used before a comparative degree of an adjective to show what? Stress. To show what? Stress. When you stresses on something, when you emphasize on something. Emphasize, stress both have what? One meaning. It intensifies the adjective. It intensifies the adjective. मतलब है कि ये adjective को intensify करता है, उसकी ताकत में और इजाफा करता है. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
For example, we say that this school is a big. ये स्कूल क्या है? बड़ा है. But that school is a even bigger. लेकिन वो स्कूल इससे भी बड़ा है. हम कहते हैं ना, इससे भी बड़ा है.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? And the second structure, dear students, in today's topic, that was what? Some and any. What are these two? And what is the contrast between some and any? Check, these are adjectives of quantity. These are adjectives of quantity. They show quantity, which are used before plural count noun. Keep in your mind that after any and after some, we can use what? Plural noun, not singular. We will use what? Plural noun all the time. Some is used in polite interrogative and positive sentences. What is the contrast between these two? What is the difference? Some we can use in polite interrogative when we offer something to someone.
Yes, sir.
And in positive sentences. And any is used in negative and interrogative sentences.
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
मतलब है some जो है ये हम polite interrogative जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ऐसे जुमले जो polite हो, हम किसी को दावत देते हो, हम कुछ ऑफर करते हो किसी को, तो तब हम some इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अगर जनरल जुमला है, क्वेश्चन जुमला है, तो फिर उसमें any इस्तेमाल होता है. तो सम एक पोलाइट इंटररोगेटिव जुमलों में और एक पॉजिटिव जुमलों में इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. एनी जो है ये नेगेटिव जुमलों में और जनरल इंटररोगेटिव जुमलों में इस्तेमाल होता है. मिसाल के तौर पर आपको अगर पेंसिल चाहिए, पेंसिल के साथ आप कुछ लिख रहे हैं, उसी दौरान आप अपने फ्रेंड से कैसे पूछ सकते हो इंग्लिश में? डू यू हैव एनी पेंसिल्स? तो सरा पेंसिल्स था. डू यू हैव एनी पेंसिल्स? So answer, no I don't. नहीं, मेरे पास पेंसिल नहीं है. But I have some pens. But I have some pens. लेकिन मेरे पास चंद कलमें हैं, pens है.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And similarly, would you like some juice? Juice चाहिए? में हम कहते हैं ना किसी को जूस चाहिए, would you like some juice? तो क्या कहोगे? No thanks. नहीं शुक्रिया. या कह सकते हो अगर प्यास लगी है, यानी जूस की जगह आपने पानी पीना है सिर्फ, तो फिर क्या कहोगे? No thanks, but I'd like some water. लेकिन मुझे कुछ पानी चाहिए. You don't understand?
Yes, sir.
Easy or not?
Yes.
I think very simple.